Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to today's 79th Russian Word of the Day video. Today we are going to learn the word for pan. This is a utensil that is used in the kitchen. Think about a fry pan, and you have about the right mental picture.
Сковорода. Сковорода. Сковорода.
This word is nice for English speakers because all of the consonants in it are hard. However, the main challenge when it comes to reading this word is that all the O vowels are pronounced in their shortened form because the accented syllable is the A at the end. Skovoroda. Go ahead and practice this word a few more times at the end of the video. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day. Пока for now.
Сковорода. Сковорода. Сковорода.